Hello everyone, today we're going to look at how to pronounce this word and what it means. The word is inept. Inept. Inept means having or showing no skill, clumsy. Synonyms of inept are incompetent, unskilled. Example: he was always rather inept at sport. He was always rather inept at sport. Here inept is an adjective. An adjective is one of the 8 parts of speech. Adjectives provide further information about a noun. Specifically, they explain more about a noun's size, shape, age, color, origin, or material. Example: it's a lovely table. It's a big table. See you in the next video. Bye.